Hello, welcome to Spy Money. I'm going to show you how to do a bracket order on NinjaTrader 8. Now, in the Ranger indicator, we actually buy one tick over the yellow and we sell one tick under. So we need a bracket order. So if it goes up and hits it, it'll just go, and we can set these in advance. So how we do that, and I'm trading this on Sim just to show you how it works. The first thing you got to do is you got to make a OCO order. One cancels the other. So you come over here and you right click the chart. You click on OCO order and you'll see a green box come up here. So now you have an OCO order. So now you got to set it. So you come down here where you want it, and I want one tick below. So I right click right there and then come up to whatever I want, limit or market. I use a limit. So now you have that one. Now you look at your ATM strategy and you have a lightning bolt. You cannot use that because this one is tied with that. So if we come down, we're looking for 2040 PT. So we come down here, we find the same one, we click on it. Now we have an eye and not a lightning bolt. So we come up here, and I'm just going to put it high, and then we're going to put a buy stop limit. Again, you can use market order wherever you want. And then you now have an OC up here, so you have to close that out. So if you come down here and uncheck it, now it's off. Now you've got a buy order here and a sell order there. So normally we would do that within this box. So when price is in here, we would go ahead and put it in. Put it in ahead of time so that whenever it come up and hit this, then we would be in that trade. So let's go ahead and put this down here just so you can see it work. And I'm just going to try to make it hit. Hopefully it'll go up and hit it. Just waiting on price. So let's go ahead and move this one up just in case it comes down. So whichever one it hits first, the other one will cancel out. I'm going to put this up a little closer just to make it hit. Of course, we would never do a bracket order that close. There we go. So we took the short, we've got our stop, we've got our profit, and it canceled out the other. And that's all you have to do. It's a little, there's a lot of steps to do it, but at least you can do it. I know on some of them it'd be nice if you could just like click on bracket order and have in all the information that you're going to use for that, and then you could just like maybe right click, and whenever you right click, it would automatically put in the bracket order, and then you can move it where you want, and your ATM strategies would follow. So to my knowledge, there's no way to do that at this moment. But I will keep on researching it because it would be so much easier if I could just right click and click on bracket order or something like that, and it actually enter the trade. So now this is not a place I would take a trade, of course. I take entries above the yellow and below the yellow, and that's my entries on the Ranger indicator. This is what I trade with daily. This is what my chart looks like daily. That's the only thing I use on my chart is the Ranger. If it is not during the open, I will use the Profit Finder bars. I like it real well, and it shows good direction. So, and on this one, if you want, you can move your limit where you want it. So if you think it's going to come down, maybe you think it's going to come down to right to the top of that and bounce. This is not an area that I would be taking a short. We are green, but I would not be doing a short right here. It's not part of my strategy. So that's how you do it. It's easy, but it's not really simple. There's a lot of steps to doing it. And I hope this helps you.